Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 25th of 2025. We have made it to day number 121 of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. I did take some time off, guys. If you guys have noticed, I took about 6 days off to be with my daughter so she can get settled in to school. I had to go up to Nebraska and get her all settled in. And I took a little break off from here, guys, but I was still sending my emails. All right. So I'm back here, guys, back at home. Okay. And I'm back ready to get back on these videos for you to show you these results and to show you how we've been doing for the time that I've been away. Okay. So today we have made it back here to day number 121. I'm just going to leave off from the video that we shot last, guys, to kind of so, we won't miss any days, okay, from showing you guys. All right. So today is day 121 of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called Mileage and Secrets for traffic, and we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right to it. If you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, let me refresh this. If you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, it's an email service, email platform that you can go to. They're going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, whichever one. Okay, now what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets, they let you have multiple accounts. All right. Now, right now, I have 8 different accounts that I use. I go in every day and I send out emails into this system. Now, I do this every day, guys. Now, I may not be able to come in every day and shoot a video, but I don't miss out on my emails. I send those every single day. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys just like overlooking my shoulder, guys, to kind of see my back office and see what it would look like for you if you guys were to get started with My Legion Secrets, which I would recommend for you to do. All right. So this is what the back office is going to look like, guys. Like I said, this is an email service. You're going to get brand new subscribers every single day. Okay. And you can build this account up to thousands and thousands of people that are in this back office. All right. And if you get multiple accounts, okay, you're going to get thousands and thousands of people inside of your back office on every single account. Now, with my 8 accounts, it takes me about maybe 5 to 10 minutes to come in every single day and send out these emails. It's super easy to do. And I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do it. All right. So this is what your back office is going to look like. Right here, you have your tabs coming across here. It shows you like how many leads that you have coming in. As you can see, we're getting this account that I have. I'm getting 200 leads per day coming into this account. So I have 200 new people that I can get in front of every single day. Okay, which is awesome. This is why I love, the mileage and secret system. Like I said, I come in here every day and I got traffic that I know I can depend on, that I can come in, I can send out, I can put my offer into this traffic, okay, and I can get eyeballs on my offer. All right. And that's what every affiliate marketer needs, guys. They need, we need traffic, okay? We need eyeballs to our offers. All right. Now, one thing, just a little bit about this traffic, guys. These people that are on this list, these people are make money online leads. These are business opportunity leads, okay? So these people pretty much care about making money online. Okay. I'm not sure if they want to see, a health and fitness offer or, some kind of spiritual offer or anything like that. What I've put, majority of my time that I've been with My Legion Secrets, which has been over a few years, all I've promoted was business opportunity offers to this traffic. All right. And that's what works well with this traffic. Okay. So I would recommend you going out. If you're going to use My Legion Secret, use a business opportunity offer, something to do with making money online. You're going to get better results from that. Okay. So, where you are going to be hanging out at the most, guys, is going to be this mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. And this is where you're going to go. Pretty much what you would do is you would select all, okay? And what that's going to do is going to transfer all of your leads over to the portal. That way, when you get this thing set up, all you got to do is put in a subject line right here, and then also put in a body of text right here, okay? And then you come down here, you click on perfect timing. Okay, and then there's going to be two buttons down here. One is going to say preview, and one is going to say send now. You want to click on preview to see if your ad works, and click on your link to make sure that it's going to your affiliate page, and then you click on send. And then just all in a nutshell, guys. Okay. And just a little bit about myself. I've been doing this over 3 years now. I totally love this service. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to this service, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. Now these leads are cold traffic. Okay. So these leads, these people have no idea who you are. Okay. So they have to get warmed up to you. Okay. First, before they can trust you, and then they'll start purchasing from you. Okay. So there's going to be a process to do that. And if you can send out the right email, okay, the right email, which is engaging to someone, you can get someone fairly quick to look at your offer and possibly sign up with you, and then in the end result, purchase whatever you're promoting them. Okay, so it's very important for us to come in and get a specific email that's tailored to a business opportunity offer. All right. Now, the offer that we are using in this method is going to be an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay, this is what we are using, guys. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section. Okay, so we're actually using this offer, guys. And if you come down here, you have the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, which is these are the emails I recommend you guys using starting out. And what you want to do is you want to come down here where it says email one. Okay, you want to send this email, and then also you want to send every email until you get down to email 20. Okay, now whenever you get to email 20, what's going to end up happening is that all of the emails that you are sending are going to be stored into this part right here where it says saved emails. Okay, and this is where you're going to want to come in, and then you can find the emails starting back from day number one. And then you can just start repurposing those emails and just sending them all over again. Okay. Starting with email number one. All right. So that'll be stored. All these emails will be stored in your back office. So you don't have to come through and copy and paste them over to the system. They'll already be in your system. All you have to do is click on the email that you want, like email number one, and then just click on load. So like say for instance, to how to send out an email, I'm just going to show you how easy and quick it is. You take this subject line, okay, chat for cash, yes please, control C, you come back over here to the mailing system, guys, and you come right here and you control V. Like it's just that easy, guys. It's just super easy to do. All right, and then you want to come down here. You want to click on perfect timing, okay, and then you want to come back over here to the offer, and you want to grab this body of text right here. Okay, just grab it, okay, and then you want to control C, come back over here to the mailing system, control A and control V. Like this took me literally a couple of minutes to do, okay. And then what you want to do is you either want to put in management or your name, whichever one comes first. And then right here where it says, hey, name, you want to take that out and you want to put in your first name, or you want to put in this right here where it says first name. So that way, when this email goes out, we're addressing our prospect by their first name. Okay. So when this email goes out, it's going to say like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, hey, whatever your name is. And then this email goes out. Okay. Now that's pretty easy to do, right? So then you would come down here. The cool thing about these emails, why I like them so much, is that under every email, there's going to be a call to action text, which is going to be highlighted in bold text. So as you can see, it's going to be where it says complete your application here. That's where you're going to turn this into a clickable link. Okay. And I can show you on each and every email, there's a spot or bold text to where all you have to do is go in and turn those bold text into a clickable link. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Right. It's super easy. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's go back. We're on email number one. And then right here is going to be the link right here where it says hop link. you want to just take this link right here, just grab it, Control C, and then right here, guys, where it says your ClickBank ID, you want to replace this with your affiliate ID, okay, whatever that is. All right, so you want to come here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You just take this right here, highlight it, and then come back here to the link tab, and then click on Control V. Boom, super easy, guys. And then you want to come here, and you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Now, don't put in mine, but put in your affiliate ID. That way you get the credit for it, not me, okay? I've already sent my emails out for today. So as you can see right here, you can come in every single day and send out one email every 24 hours, okay? That's the cool thing about this service. You can get in front of brand new people every single day, every 24 hours, okay? And you don't have to miss a beat, all right? So what I like to do is I like to Control A and I like to make this a little bigger, either 14 or 16 or 18, just depending on how you're feeling. Okay, and then I like to come here and then I'll just space this out, right? So I like to do that. That way it's just all the words are not too close together, and everything looks nice and spaced out and very easy to read, okay? So as you can see, this email is ready to go, right? It looks good, okay? We are addressing our prospect by their first name. It goes into the email, letting our customer know the email and the job opportunity and what it's about. And then we got our call to action link right here. So basically, we want our prospects to come here and click on this link right here. And what happens is this link takes them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. All we have to do is get them there. Okay. And then our affiliate page is just going to do all the selling and telling for us. All right. So you come down here, guys. You got two links, like I said before. Either click now, click here, or preview. You want to click on preview, make sure everything works. Come back over here and click send now. Okay, boom. You click send now. That email is off to the races. It's going out to all those people that you have in your back office, guys. And then what you would do is you would open up another tab if you have multiple accounts, and all you're going to do is copy and paste this in your subject line over to your other email. Like, it's super easy to do. And if you guys don't know how to do that, go back and watch my other videos. I'm showing you guys in my first beginning of these videos. I kind of go into more detailed on how to do stuff. But since we're getting further along in this series, okay, we don't need to just do this every single time. Guys can kind of get the idea on what I'm doing. And if you don't remember, just go rewind this video or go watch my other videos. Okay. Super easy. All right. And then you come down here and you click on send now. That email is going to go out to all of those people that we have in your back office, whether that be a few hundred, few thousand, 100,000, 200,000, right? It just depends on how many people that you have in there. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. It takes just a few minutes to get this email sent out, and then you click on send, and then you're done. Okay. You can go do something else, and you can let this work for you and let this grab customers and also make money for you while you sleep. All right. Which is pretty cool. Okay. So that's how you send out an email. Let's go ahead and go over here to the ClickBank back office. This is the ClickBank account that I've created, okay, just for you guys to show you guys what this looks like, okay? So as you can see, just from the past 30 days, okay, we have been making sales, all right? So we've been making sales, guys, each and every week. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys what this looks like and if we got any traffic or what our statistics look like. Okay. So for the past 30 days, we have been making money. Okay. We have been, you know, getting sales every single week. Okay. Which is really, really cool. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like, let you know that this stuff does work. It does convert. And if you guys want to get started, come back over here to the mailing system, guys. I did leave a link below this video, okay, which is right here. Let's see, let's go down here, right here, tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, guys. Click on this link, okay. It's going to take you to the My Legion Secret landing page. Go ahead and get started, guys. There's only just a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a monthly charge of $30 a month to keep the service. Now, I wouldn't recommend you going out getting 8 accounts like I have right now because, like I said, I've been doing this for a while. But I would recommend you at least getting 2 or 3 accounts. And then once you start making money with those accounts, then you can scale up to about 5, right? 5 is going to be your sweet spot where you're going to start seeing results and start seeing stuff happen for you. And then as you get, more seasoned in this thing after 6, 7 months, okay, then you start gradually adding counts, adding more accounts. Okay. That way you can make more money. All right. So, but 5 is going to be just a good spot. You can, build on 5 and you can make it happen with 5. All right. So if you come down here, excuse me, if you come down here, guys, you'll see all the success stories. These are just some of the MLGS members that are with us. These guys are earning income, guys. It's just a lot of people that have done this method, guys, and they're making money. Okay. Now, not only do you can make money with ClickBank, you can make money with My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. You can promote this service to your list and you'll make money. And this is what all these people are doing, guys. Okay. Not everybody is doing ClickBank. Okay. Some of these people are doing just promoting the offer itself. Okay. As you can see, they're making money. Okay. Thousands of dollars. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Okay. Go ahead and get started today. And then once you get started at this link below this video, let me know. I'll send you some special emails that I use to help me get the ground running and help me start earning commissions pretty quickly. Okay. So,
As an owner of
so
Yours,
all
Jermaine,
we have
back
to
here with
do,
another video from
oh, sorry guys, I
TrueFreedomIncome.com.
got to hit a button or whatever, and things are started to happen, guys. But I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, what it would look like for you, okay? If you were to get started today. All right. So that is it, guys. I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. We're back on schedule. We're back on track. We're going to start shooting these videos every single day. So I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.